Hello everyone, welcome to JIB CIB English Medium. This is Aarti and I hope you all are doing good. So if you are also preparing for upcoming May 2025 JAIIB exam, then this session is very important for you because in this we are going to talk about how you can complete your one of the important subjects, that is your AFM, in a very less time. So if you are visiting this particular channel for the first time, do subscribe it, and remember, in this we are providing you all the planning strategies, how you can overcome your fear and how you can complete your not only AFM but along with that all your remaining 3 subjects in a very limited time. So with this, let's start today's session. But yes, do share this page with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get the benefit of this particular platform and of this particular session. Chaliye. So first let's discuss about the exam dates. As you already know that exams dates are out already on 22 January around. So first subject you can see that is your Indian economy and Indian financial system. So in this we are going to discuss about both the cycle examination dates. Okay, this one is your May cycle and this one is your November cycle. So first is your IEIFS paper on 4th May 2025, and if you see the second paper, that is your Principles and Practices of Banking on 10th May 2025. Third is your Accounting and Financial Management for Bankers on 11th May 2025. Retail Banking and Wealth Management 18th May 2025. The thing is, these 2 papers, Principles and Practices of Banking and your Accounts paper, 10th, 11th, continuously we are going to see these 2 papers. Now the toughest thing is how to prepare for your accounts part. Because if your background is non-commerce, then we have very limited time, because already you know we are in a mid around of our February. Then we have March, correct? Then we have April, and as you can see from 4th May, this May cycle is going to start. So, and one more thing, this March is your 31st, means your closing year. Now, having very limited time, how we can complete our this accounts part, that is what we are going to discuss. Means in your remaining Feb days, in your available time of your March and this month, that is your April, how we can do effective study. That is what we are going to discuss in today's session. Remember, this session is very important if you are starting your preparation now onwards, or you are planning to start in upcoming month. Okay, then this session is very, very important. Just don't take things very lightly, because though you can see we have around 2.5 months like March, April, and here you can say half month, but no, effectively if you calculate it, you are not having much time. So how we can complete our AFM part in this limited time? So I am here for you today. I will tell you that yes, you can do it, and of course you are going to do it. Okay, chaliye. So register as early as possible for your JIB registration. Okay, if your exam is on May, so register as soon as possible. Now, if we talk about this particular book, this is your AFM book provided by your institute, that is your IABF. They already provided you the study material. So if you want to know the exam pattern, they are covering this book. If you want to know the syllabus, they are covering this book. If you want to know total number of questions, 100. If you want to know total marks, 100. Duration, 2 hours. Okay? In exam pattern, they are going to ask you MCQ pattern for sure. But again, these MCQs are divided into 0.5 marks, 1 marks and 2 marks. So if you see the difficulty level, so 0.5 one-liner question, direct questions, okay, average questions, difficult questions. For 2 marks, they are asking difficult questions. But remember one thing, they are covering this book only. So this is your holy book, we can say. This is your guidebook, we can say. If you are reading this book, if you are covering this particular book for your exam, then you are going to clear, of course, in your this May attempt. But remember, you need to give your dedication, you need to be focused. Because your syllabus is this only, okay? This particular book only. But if you are not giving dedication, if you are not focused, if you are not ready for your hard work, then things won't be easy for you. So remember, already syllabus is clear to us. Okay? Already we know exam pattern, already we know the marks, already we know how many questions they are going to ask, how total marks and duration. Now, next thing comes that in this particular AFM, theory and numerical, both you are going to see, theory as well as numerical. So you cannot say just by completing your theory, you can clear your AFM. No, or you just cannot say by completing your numerical part, we can clear our AFM. No, we need to make a balance in this theory and in this numerical. We need to make a balance. Now, what balance we can make and how we can make this balance in this limited time, that is what we are going to discuss. Okay, so basically in this particular module, we have 4 different modules. Module A talks about accounting principles and processes. Module B talks about financial statements and core banking systems. Module C talks about financial management. Module D talks about taxation and fundamentals of costing. So basically, if you see module A and B, they both are covering accounts part, like balance sheet, P&L, journal, ledger, financial statements, okay, all these things. Then if you see module C, in this we are covering the financial management. How we can arrange the funds, how we can start any particular investment, which investment is profitable, which investment we need to reject, how we can take anything on lease. So these things are covered under this financial management. Okay, you are setting a relation, like ratios we are doing. All these things we are going to cover in this financial management. And your last module, that is the taxation and fundamental of costing, again totally different from remaining 3 modules. In this we are covering your income tax part, your GST part, correct? And then fundamentals of costing, how you can start any business, how you can calculate the cost. If we see there are different industries in any economy, so how we can use different methods, because we cannot use same method for each and every industry. So which type of method we need to use, and what are the different ways of evaluation, how to prepare this budget, everything is covered under this fundamentals of costing. So basically your AFM consists of these 4 modules, and first and second module, you can say they both are interrelated. If you don't know about basics of accounting, you cannot prepare this financial statements. So this both modules go simultaneously. So this both modules consist of around, we can say, 50 marks approx in your exam. Your module C, again, this comes for around 25 marks approx in your exam. And module D, again taxation and fundamental of costing, again for 25 marks approx. Means if you are planning to study only 1 module or only 2 modules, then either you are just taking this JAIIB exam very lightly, or I think you are overconfident. Simple. Okay, so when you are preparing your AFM, you need to cover all 4 modules all together. Yes, you cannot skip any module. Though they are covering each and every module, but suppose your financial management, this is basically your numerical module, and if you are not comfortable with the numericals, so of course you are going to leave it. Suppose you also leave this module B. Now you already only completed module A and suppose D. So you can see under D, 25 approx, accounting principles, module A, again around 25 marks. But what if they are preparing numericals easy, but theory difficult? Numericals easy, theory difficult. So even after completing module D and A, you won't be getting passing marks. So you have time, of course. If you have determination, of course you can do it. Okay? But remember, please avoid skipping any single module at this point of time. You can see important units, you can see important topics, but you are not going to leave any single module. In exams, they are asking from even between the lines now. Okay? They are making this exam quite difficult day by day or exam by exam. So we need to understand that leaving any module won't help you in your clearing, in your first attempt. So I told you how you are going to see this AFM, how you can see this particular types of module. Okay, you are not going to leave any module, you are going to cover each and everything. But there are few things that you also need to consider apart from this syllabus. Like first, don't skip your weak areas. If you are already aware that you are weak in your numerical or you are weak in your theory, you cannot mug up the things, you cannot recall the things. So try to work on that. Do timely revision. Divide your concepts or your units into small parts. Don't cover all your lengthy modules in a one go. Try to break it down into small pieces. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, but please work on those areas. Okay? Things are interrelated. You cannot skip any one thing. So work on your weak areas. If you already know that I am weak in my numerical part, I am weak in my theory part, then start working from day one. That is the first thing you need to understand. Then next thing, study smart, not just hard. So what usually bankers do? Okay, they already know that this is the book which is given by IABF. So they purchase this book. No doubt, you can purchase this. But you start preparing from this particular book only. You start reading this book. And if you see this particular book, this book is very lengthy. Okay? Believe me, this book is very lengthy. And if you see that time you have now is very limited. Because in this, you need to attend office also. Okay? So, your date time is already in office. You have only early morning or late evening, or you have late evening. So covering this particular book in morning and late evening won't be possible because only one subject we are not preparing. We are preparing for all the 3 subjects also. Correct? So completing this module, that too by a self-study, won't be possible for you. For 1 week, you are following your timetable, but what after that? What after that? Consistency is again very important. So, study smart, but not just hard. Reading each and every line from this book will help you for sure, but you are not having that much time. Okay. Or might be the possibility is what you are reading is never asked in exam. So that is what? That is again a waste of time. Though you are gaining knowledge, no doubt. But we need to focus on our exam also. We need to cover as per exam point of view. That's why we are doing this classes. That's why you are watching this session. If you want to go step by step or you want to cover each and everything, and if your target is to clear in next attempt, then you have ultimate time or you have so much of time. But if you think you want to clear in this time and you need to focus on important points, then remember, study smart. not just hard. Okay, so if you want to purchase it, you can purchase that book. But how you can study smart? See, either you can join YouTube sessions. Already we have completed this concept part. In upcoming week, we are going to start MCQ series. You can join that. You can join Adda 24/7 course also. Okay, I will show you how you can join it, how you can cover within limited time, because already we planned each and everything. So why not to be smart this time? Hana? Why not to cover your whole AFM or all the 4 subjects in a limited time with proper revision, with proper crash course? So I will tell you how you can enroll in our courses. Okay, because already we have made a plan in which we are going to complete within a limited time. In that you can also revise, and remember, these things are what makes you different from other bankers. Okay, so this is your second point. Now, third point is stay calm and confident. Of course, so many days you are going to feel like, I think we cannot do it. This is not for us. Okay, chaliye, let's give the next attempt. So try to be confident. Try to stay calm. Just follow your rhythm. Whatever consistency you are following, read few things. If you are not having a mood of reading or of attending any live class, start YouTube channel. Start this JAIIB CIB English medium. In this already we have concepts, we have MCQs. Start solving those things. Okay? But try to be consistent. Try to read the things. Try to attempt MCQs, at least 20 questions. Use your office hours. Okay? Whenever you are having free time, solve MCQs. Watch any concept series. Use your free time, whether when you are traveling, when you are having free time in your home or in your office, use that time. Okay? So this is what stay calm and confident. If you are going to be consistent, after a month you can see that now you are aware of so many things. You can see the confidence in that, yes, you can do it. But if you are just planning it and you are just procrastinating it, won't be possible for you to cover in limited time. Then, last and very important thing, healthy lifestyle. Try avoid any fast foods. Try avoid eating outside. Try avoid junk foods. Just eat healthy foods, because now you can see season is changing. So many we can see cough, cold, flu, things are very common now. So keep yourself healthy, eat seasonal fruits, eat healthy fruits, avoid junk lifestyle, but follow your steps. Take small steps. Don't be in a hurry that in a 1 day or 2 day, in a 3 day or in a week you are going to complete the syllabus. No. Take small steps. And apart from this, if you have any doubt, we are always here for you. Okay, already we have provided you our numbers in our description box. You can call in that, you can talk with us. Always we are here. If you have any problem in your registration, in your study, in your syllabus, in your batches, just dial that number. Okay? Or you can type here. We are always here for you. That is the best thing about Adda 24/7. We want your success. Okay? We want that this time you must clear your JIB, and you can do it. Okay? This is not something very unachievable thing. If you can handle your family, if you can handle your office works, you can study also. And if you can study, means you can clear it. So many bankers are clearing. Okay? So give this time one proper shot. Try to be consistent. Try to just give your 100%. And with this, of course, you can clear in your first attempt. And the good news is we have already launched one new batch. So if you want to enroll in that, you can enroll it by under 24/7. As I told you, you need to study smart, not just hard. So your smart study is your Drishti and Vision batch. In this, we are covering your concepts also. In this, we are providing you mock test also, your e-learning books also for your self-study. Okay, you can attend the full mock test also. So for the bilingual language, Drishti, for the vision, this is your English batch. You need to click on this and you can see all the available things like online class, mock test, e-books. Apart from this, if you want to see the study material, and yes, we are covering your latest pattern, okay, you can use device, any device. You can use your laptop, you can use your phones. Okay, self-paced learning and best in class material. The best thing is we are providing you ebooks also, and whatever PDFs or whatever we are using materials in our classes, we are sharing with you. Correct? In this mock test, not only full mock test, unit-wise mock test also we are providing. The best thing. And remember one more thing, if you want to see, here are your faculties. Vishal sir is here. I will complete your AFM part. Okay, Aman ma'am is here. And remember, this time we have Kanshuk sir also. And the thing is, if you want to know about the study plan, okay, how we are going to complete it and what is our timetable, then you need to click on this study plan. Here you can see for AFM, RBWM, IE, IFS and PPB. You need to click on this, click here. You can see your first module is already provided you in the recorded form. Then from 17, we are going to start your module B. And with that, you can see from 17, we are going to conduct the live classes, and we are making a target to complete your batch till your April. Of course, we are going to try to complete before this time, but in that we require your support. We require your dedication. Okay, so please start your learning as soon as possible. And the best thing is you can purchase this batch with the maximum discount. And what is that maximum discount? You need to click on buy now. Sorry. You need to click on buy now. Currently, you can see you are getting only 78% off. But if you are using the coupon code, that is Y895, you can see your amount increases up to 80%. That is the benefit of using coupon code. And remember one more thing, if you want to see the demos, all 4 subject demos are available and we are going to conduct in this particular channel only. So do subscribe it. As a banker, you must subscribe to this channel. Chaliye. So apart from this, if you have any doubt, you can ask me and enroll in this batch as soon as possible because we are starting this batch soon. Okay, so with this, now I'm winding up this session. Thank you everyone for joining. Take